Do you know someone who is working to secure the mental and emotional stability of Black community members? Then nominate them for the I Am Peace Award. I Am Peace is one of the Higher Self Awards. It is given to those who advocate for, encourage, promote, and develop natural, holistic, and sustainable practices for maintaining internal calm when faced with life's challenges. This award is for those who have made a commitment to developing within themselves and teach others the skills needed to manage and even eliminate the stress response. They understand that creating peace within creates external peace. The award is for those who do breath work, meditation, cognitive behavioral therapy, and physical therapies like yoga. If there is a person or organization whose work and commitment to your family, your neighborhood, your city, or our people should be recognized, nominate them for the I Am Peace Award at HigherSelfAwards.org. Nominate a hero.
Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the Higher Self Awards. That means your purchase will help Higher Self Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.